first one. Woo. That was a lot. Came from this bad boy. Off of here. So, looking way better than it was before. We gotta do 2 more. All right. This is the second one. Not too bad, right there. Not too bad in here. We'll see what comes out of it. Alright, so far this is what we got. Our battery died on us for the brush. Got a new battery. That was the first one again. Woo! There's the second one. Andy's on the other side. All right, there is the second, and that's the results. Woo. Now we're on to the last one. One more. All right, here is the third one. Third one, the hose not too bad. Inside there not too bad, but no telling what's all the way through. So here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, out of 1, 2, 3, this is what we got. 1, 2, 3, the results. Woo, got a good clean. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. All right, the roller brush did a job on that dryer vent. We're gonna see what is in this bad boy. Ooh, bad boy is full to the brim.